Might end up walking part of the way or most of the way. So if I decide to, I'll come back when I'm riding again. We'll see. Just wanted to mention. It's been a minute since I've ridden up this hill I'm about to do, so I don't know if I have it in me with the lack of food and a little bit of water I've had. Very nicely done on my behalf. A shooby dooby. At least I got a little water in before I left. Should only try a swig or two more maybe, but better than just coffee. At least coffee and water. I'm gonna start going this way again.